Hello and welcome to 𝕙𝕣𝕣𝕖. I'm going to be reading to you from 𝕎𝕖𝕣𝕣𝕖 and the Chocolate Factory in Swedish, in order to help any of you studying Swedish to gain some new words for your vocabulary and also practice some reading comprehension. So without further ado, let's kick off.
Hey, you're watching?
So, if you're new to these kinds of videos, I will basically be reading from a few pages for the book. This video is also going to be multiple parts, about one part per page. And after I've read through the page, I have a list of words from that particular page that you will all be hopefully putting into your brains for future use, because you should do that. No, but seriously, it would be really helpful, I think, for your Swedish, if you're studying Swedish. And if not, start right now. Yeah. Willy Wonkas fabrik. På kvällarna, efter att ha ätit sin vattniga kålsoppa, gick Kalle alltid in i rummet där hans far och morföräldrar låg för att lyssna på deras berättelser och sedan säga godnatt. Var och en av dessa gamla var över 90 år. De var lika rynkiga som russin och beniga som skelett. Dagen lång låg de nerbäddade 2 och 2 i varsin ända av sängen, med nattmössor på för att hålla värmen, och dåsade i brist på något att göra. Ända tills Kalle kom in. Kålsoppa is Swedish for cabbage soup. Godnatt means good night. 90 means 90. Rynkiga means wrinkly. 2 och 2 means 2 and 2. Dåsade means dozed off. I'm going to give you some example sentences using a few of these words. Well, a couple of ones that aren't just regular nouns. Like for example, 90 or 90. My grandfather is 90 years old. You could say, min morfar är 90 år gammal. Or, min farfar är 90 år gammal. Because in Sweden, you have separate words for your grandparents on your mother's and father's side. The ducks were sailing along the pond 2 and 2. Ankorna seglade ner för ån 2 och 2. I dozed off during class. Jag låg och dåsade under lektionen. Kalles familj åt kålsoppa till middag varje dag. Charlie and his parents ate cabbage soup for dinner every night. Okay, so that's it for this short little video from us here at 𝕙𝕣𝕣𝕖, where hopefully you've learned a couple more words for your Swedish vocabulary. And now what you should do is go back to the start of the video and try to pick out some of these new words you've learned from the actual text. And of course, I don't have to tell you what to do on the YouTubes anymore. If you like this video or want to see more content like this, you press the subscribe button and smash the like button. That's the like button. And also, just to be sure that you want our videos to show up in your sub box, you press the little bell thingy and you get notifications every time we post a video. Bye!